Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Talend Data Integration using OAuth credentials, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Talend Data Integration using OAuth credentials, start by opening your Talend Studio. Navigate to the metadata section on the repository panel. Right-click on the OAuth folder and select Create OAuth Connection. In the dialog box, enter a suitable name for your connection. Choose the appropriate OAuth provider from the drop-down menu. Fill in the necessary details, including the client ID and client secret. Specify the authorization URL and token URL as required by your OAuth provider. Set the OAuth version to either 1.0 or 2.0, depending on your provider's specifications. Optionally, configure the scope field if your OAuth provider requires specific permissions. Next, under the OAuth authentication section, select the type of authentication, such as authorization code or client credentials. If the test is successful, proceed to click Finish to create the connection. Now, locate the newly created OAuth connection in the repository. Drag the connection to your job design workspace to use it in your Talend job. Open the relevant components, such as TREST client or TOutput, where you intend to use the OAuth connection. On the Component Properties panel, find the Credentials section. Select the OAuth connection you just created from the drop-down menu. Ensure all necessary fields are filled with correct information. Finally, run your Talend job to confirm that authentication using OAuth works as expected. Watch for any error messages that might appear during the run. If you encounter issues, double-check your OAuth provider settings and the information entered in Talend. Adjust the configuration as necessary to achieve successful authentication. Once everything is working, you can start using Talend Data Integration with OAuth securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.